Morning, dear children. High five to all my dear students. So, welcome back to the English online class after our half yearly exams. I hope that you have all have done okay and have tried your best to score good marks in English. So for today I am going to start your English class online. Students, today for our English online class, our topic will be writing section. Today I am going to start our English class, online class with writing section. Right? As you know, in English, we have 4 sections: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Right? So today I am starting with writing section, that is letter to the editor. I know this is for the first time you are going to do this. Before you have never done this editorial letter. But now in the 7th standard, you are going to do this letter to the editor. Right? So, letter to the editor means LTE. The abbreviation is LTE, letter to the editor. That is editorial letter. Today I am just going to explain you what is editorial letter. Okay? And the next class, I will give you the format and the example. So just you need to understand today in this class what do we mean by editorial letter or letter to editor. But before going to that, let us know what is letter. And letter is divided into how many parts? Correct? So letter is a way of communicating. Is communication. Okay. In the olden days, people used to communicate with each other through letters. But now today, in this 21st century, there are so many ways of communicating. Today, with the social media is so fast that within an instant we can contact each other. Right? But in olden days, people used to send message through this letter. It is one of the very cheap and is not so expensive, right? So letter, in Hindi we say patra, correct? Now, when I am talking about letter, I have divided letter in 2 parts: informal letter writing, formal letter writing. This you must have done in this lower class, informal letter writing and formal letter writing. But in the today's class, what I am teaching you, letter to editor. But before going, let us have a small understanding about the types of letters we have. I have divided letters into 2 parts. One is informal letter, another is formal letter. Right? When I am talking about the informal letter, it means this letter is written to the near and the dear ones. That is my personal letter. This informal letter written to the near and the dear ones. And this is a personal letter. Informal letter are written to the friends, relatives, siblings, that is brothers and sisters, parents, grandparents, neighbors, like this. And this letter we do not use any formal tone. Okay, we do not have to be formal. Correct? And next is we have formal letter writing. That is business and official letter. Business and official letter. It is means formal letter writing is written short and straight to the point. Correct? This letters, like letter of inquiry, if you want to know about anything, then we write order letter, want to order anything. Business, this called as a business letter, as I said. Letter to the principal, vice principal, class teacher, headmaster. Then we write to this letter to the bank manager, postmaster. Then we write these letters. And then we have letter to the editor. This is what we are going to start with. Letter to the editor. Correct? So, I am going to just explain you today what do we mean by letter to the editor. Okay, today in this class we only do this only. So before going to that, I'll explain one more time, students. Please check out. Letter is divided two types: informal, formal. Informal letter writing, personal letter writing, friends, relatives, siblings, parents, grandparents. Okay, and formal letter writing, business and official letters, letter of inquiry, order, principal, vice principal, bank manager, postmaster, editor. Right? What is it? One more difference is this: in the informal letter, we do not write subject, no subject. But in the formal letter writing, subject we have to write. It is very very important. Right? In the whenever you are writing a letter to your brother, sister, mother, father, grandfather, friend, siblings, so in that we don't have to write subject. The format is very simple: sender's address, then date, dear mother, father, brother, sister, uncle, aunt. First will be the introduction of 3 to 4 lines, then comes the content, matter, body, and then comes the conclusion. Give my regards to my mom, dad, uncle, aunt, get well soon, best wishes, and then your brother. Over here, in the formal letter writing, we have to write the sender's address, then the receiver address, date, subject, then sir, ma'am, and straight to the topic. Correct? So this is, we have to write the subject in this. Now I will be explaining you the letter to the editor. What is letter to editor means, right? As I've started with the new topic as a letter to the editor, so editorial letter. So I am here to explain you what is a letter to editor means. See, before starting this editorial letter, let's take example of our school. In our school, see, in our school we have an editorial board. See, every year what we do, we publish after every 2 years we publish our school magazine, right? So in that, the students, they submit or they bring their article, story, or in Hindi, in English, in all language, in English, Hindi, and they submit it to the teachers, and teachers, they submit it to the editorial board. So there are teachers of the editorial boards. What they do, they read to the articles in Hindi, English, and whatever editing part is required, they do that, and then it is given a final printing. Okay, so where the editorial means it is the job of a journalist who looks after this letters, and he or she, after doing the editing part, then it is sent for the printing in the newspaper. See, in the newspaper we have read or we read so many issues, right? Article in the newspaper. Okay, so where letter to editor, it means that it's written way of talking through newspaper or magazine. They can take the position for or against the issue. Any issue, any matter is there. If you want that public should know about this, then we have to take the help of this newspaper or magazine. Through this only the matter or the issues can come out in the public, right? So why do we write a letter to editor? Then the reason is, there are so many reasons, that you think that an issue or any matter that you have to speak out. You know that something wrong is going in your society or in your city or in your colony, and after complaining also no one is taking the responsibility. Then what we do, at last we issue the same issues or same problem is being send it to the editorial board, letter to editor, and then it is come out in the newspaper. Then suggest an idea. If any idea to be, we want the public should know, we can do that. Increase awareness of issues. We can also bring awareness, जागरूकता जिसको हम बोलते हैं, among the public through the newspaper. For example, in our locality, I can see the street lights are not working properly. The roads are in bad conditions, and because of this, many accidents are taking place. So what, as a responsible person, I have spoken to the authorities, but they have just ignored. They are not doing their work with sincerity. So what I have decided that I will write this matter, okay, and let in that through newspaper the responsible person should know their responsibilities. So that is why letter to editor is important. It is a very important that if anything wrong is going on, then we should take the help of this newspaper and bring the awareness in the society and in this, right. So this is my letter to editor. So today I have just explained you the letter to editor. Okay, what I have given you, I have given you a note, that is, you have to just copy it what the letter to editor is in your notebook, and next class I will give you explaining you, I'll give you the format and one example of letter to editor, right. If you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask me, you can call me. Okay, so thank you and God bless you all. Have a nice day.